I would say to the people of Ghana, I'm sorry. We are sorry for the poor work we have done. We're going to go and think about ourselves. I would say to the people of Ghana, I'm sorry. We are sorry for the poor work we have done. We're going to go and think about ourselves. I would say to the people of Ghana, I'm sorry. We are sorry for the poor work we have done. We're going to go and think about ourselves. I would say to the people of Ghana, I'm sorry. We are sorry for the poor work we have done. We're going to go and think about ourselves. I would say to the people of Ghana, I'm sorry. We are sorry for the poor work we have done. We're going to go and think about ourselves. I would say to the people of Ghana, I'm sorry. We are sorry for the poor work we have done. We're going to go.
Only Addo for dear no how a dear no adwendwen dear no kodana a dying and a wasie and a open chance in papa a day apostle and a dying with Simona since so to a nuno and nuntia ma wona aquaye bisi basa any and media sempa and natural things a be one more and some a day a massa microphone in us to me canabra one more akache now one more MMS so how no and no and fa and mau and unti for one more number it will screen no as soon as any one more in the air casubus as a woman to my son intino I dance for one more atum natural things ana one more ejuma dance so na won't sika engu de biara eda
I would say to the people of Ghana, I'm sorry. We are sorry for the poor work we have done. We're going to go and think about ourselves. I would say to the people of Ghana, I'm sorry. We are sorry for the poor work we have done. We're going to go and think about ourselves. I would say to the people of Ghana, I'm sorry. We are sorry for the poor work we have done. We're going to go and think about ourselves. I would say to the people of Ghana, I'm sorry. We are sorry for the poor work we have done. We're going to go and think about ourselves. I would say to the people of Ghana, I'm sorry. We are sorry for the poor work we have done. We're going to go and think about ourselves. I would say to the people of Ghana, I'm sorry. We are sorry for the poor work we have done. We're going to go and think about ourselves. I would say to the people of Ghana, I'm sorry. We are sorry for the poor work we have done. We're going to go and think about ourselves. I would say to the people of Ghana, I'm sorry. We are sorry for the poor work we have done. We're going to go and think about ourselves. I would say to the people of Ghana, I'm sorry. We are sorry for the poor work we have done. We're going to go and think about ourselves. I would say to the people of Ghana, I'm sorry. We are sorry for the poor work we have done.
Hey! Aha, I Ghana and 7. I catch you say, I Ghana and 7. What you say? You see it in some so. Aha, I Xposed GH. You see no Ghana and beyond. And then in some ben a trick over my. Hey! Yeah, Papa. kwesi chedua ye nim ne fa ni KKD watina GBC broadcasting network so aye na ye fa ni GTV wakana adwen pa kira aman no ai ye de nkonfo di omomba eko school se won kosua de wo suapon kese mu no omukwa akoye kla embloma ewo ho eho ne yate gang ena no pe ene yenim bebia wiase university edi omu countries ekono ye de ne de clashes of titans ye tutu ye ho bo ye tutu eyi eja edi chechere ye ho ai me di wansem ni na be den ebebro na den su na esa koso biom hwemo ene Ghana ye gusu ye tribal politics edan no metina Xposed die so se obo why Kwesipi says Ashantis are tribalist Emma me koka say oh Kwesipi se woko Kumasi a ube bia ye fra Fanti New Town Mosi Zongo Aglonga Junction se nkofoi omo ye tribalistic a omo mfa edi we tutu omo kuro bi so what I say they will not even like to hear these names and I me defend you omo ewo simpie so me say me boa but Xposed die Kwesipi says Ashantis are tribalistic na hwa de na so ene eye me say ye mpanyifo omo MPP party nim ana ye mpanyifo omo political party mu omo ye tribal politics enye sa asantefo bebi mu fi asantemamu ti na ye de akosha akanfo ni asantefo so omo ye tribalistic ni akase omo ye den omo ye tribalistic bas omo nye na kwabrani ye nebrem tina o party wakotina radio station defend the woman talk about the people tell what the people want to hear abani ye na onye bibia you have other things the government is doing send ye bo akufo de chini na sikane ni kofobotomo but they are still project they are doing so what I say it you continue radio station so defend your party but not to look at the other person now can say whoa we are turning enye mo ni wo na enye fere se mo kasa nsem we de kire Ghana for me ka che we ni na mo ka kire Ghana for mo kasa nsem we de kire Ghana for this is what we see in this country. Well fine, let's go back to the issue. Asamba na eko enra ewo KNUST ye ndim de ba ye ensem koso Ghana ne ye kase nkofo ko school omo tumi nye juma nye enipa ko KNUST enipa ko Legon ako university suapo empenyifo ne creating juma mo nye juma nye no omo akoto aso ne wo so mu suade no mo hu juma dachi bi o be ya mo man we mu no omo jaji adisua no mu sua no e na adane ntokwa clash of titans stupid act village act inkurasesem ena ne nkofo eduoma ko school ena omo ye kire yen na per report mpono police force ye hwehwe munti ohwe mo per rumors ni report enenam school for na ho a yetumi akofre kantanga all student konti all student na se woko Cape Coast school ye was some hall bi wo ho omni kantanga fo ne den kampa iti ebi mu sisa omo ho ebesi fraka efri Cape Coast sa school nim so omo ko bo omo mama kontokwa ewo nde Ghana mu mo wie school ni na mo ka kire oban ni se mu nya adwuma anya no mo nya time clash of titans ewo school mu na assess nipa japade na mo assess nipa japade na kwabrane asoja se ye bombo se ye deyo ena nkona brane tutu bombo ho etutu aboba na we ni na abeda ne wanaka e wo man we mu se mpanyifo hu enkola we ya omusu omu ye the future of this country de bia ye ka future of this nation na ye de akoshe nkola na omu class 1 2 to GHS no ye de akoshe SS enye omu in the next 10 years to come no the people who was at KNUST, they will surely come and be in a position in this country. It is our position here, and Nippon no Babedi Ghana Sunomuninie. And Nippon no Babedi Ghana Sunomuninie. I am say me fire too much. But Mudia Mama Yankoshe video near them. Embra. Na Sheba. No say Ghana no. KNUST. Then Chila say the agenda of Kwame Nkrumah was to create youth or create a university, establish a university for the development or the technological development of Ghana. And now say he created a university for students to come and become Clash of Titans. Mama Yankoshe video number.
We're not fouling.
What's that here, Kosi? Shadia Kwame. Almost that year, we ain't put on. And we ain't almost video flower. We both said, guys, add to fire. I'll put the chomo to the sense in their minute. At their sound, they are still clashing themselves and they are destroying properties. And they are destroying properties. Shevin away. Show my team. A whole nation. Number 1 university in this country, Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. It was in plan, say invention be on my way at least in the field of medicine, in the field of technology, in the field of Ghana's health and stuff. I was saying that the free start companies. I was saying Ghana, yenya sanko foe. You look at Kwame Nkrumah, mi bo. Sanko kwa brotire. And a broche university no kosuya ba ye no. Okoye no okwa. Ye wo hosa. Omo tukwa tokwa. Omo kokon tokwa. Akamenewo Kwame Nkrumah ba bedu Ghana. Sebe enya nyansa. Edi akasi wo besi university. Edi aboa menewo. Do you know the agenda and the vision that Kwame Nkrumah had for Ghanaians and the future? Me, Mametuno. But the future this man had, or your batampa dream Ghana, my establishing Nyoma for the well-being of Ghana. Because what we're telling you, who said these people are building the economy in the next year, in the next decades or years to come. I want to be as a crown. Ghana and Amam, they are developing their country by what? Technology. Develop by technology. But Ghana hano yen develop eating or buy no see and yes sir maybe creating universities. Now me creating university menya the science and technology. Send me yale bi ba Ghana COVID abo man mu. So what I say yale bi a pandemic bi ba ye benya nkwala o metina say research. Ama yetima fa yale no one ehun simesibra den abra Ghana for technology bi ba app creation e ba so enso obi enye bi da. Share me the KNUST ayama Ghana for ewo my way mu. Share me the KNUST for ayama Ghana for ewo my mu. On money and your team, a whole nation, but go to US and then US a phone call at you and can send you they will fly and use satellite and they make the other planets. Class of Come on toothpick. Come on watch a China niba mami. Me kwa brand free school. Akole free school. A brand tiani ababa we free school. Abese akotina suapom. Who say obedre dia woso ye. Am I being for them be aka? Try and be entrepreneurs. Try and do things on your own. That be ye then dem say sa. O maya ye team ye nye juma papa nye. Almost 1 to 5 years ago are still unemployed and they are in their house ebi mo start ya dane clothes sellers, ebi mo dane YouTube channel displayers. Omunye juma with degree oma having na and omuti Ghana and kwasi asema nchiri mani wo school ni mu ebe dream said they will do something better for themselves no enye no mo dream kwasi asema akwa iti we ne enya time yes say ye be for camera e dia ko university TV stations ye be so le anopa yes oh wo ko KNUST ya ye nya covid we buy KNUST to me nya dro ma ye ka say covid ye nya ho adru na ya researcher e betuma san wo yare kwasi asem and rape cases and the Ninam University upon and a Quabrania yet papa in a co school. Now the only say we won't Ama, we won't Harriet, we won't Janet. It's in the procreation channel, the dress nation, a yen fair. It was on in a gang at Tony Mona. Now say when young man is one 2 or more, I was sent a down for me, Uber boys so school. And you be piano Mokuto Guayo. I know be your bar, and you'll be phone a yafa. Say you be phone you better, you better than you. Some you better than somebody's owner. Then I went to my instead of saying come over compete we continue us. Hey, we brought about this app. We continue Ghana Health Education Service app and on the website. Jen you create here and we did bidder. Then you pay for so seven. I brony pay yeti. Na sa contract here was here the KNUST students. You bet my shaman chamo say went to man create app way and I went to man yes idea way ya. Jen you pay zoom wedi. If school mo dabi na kwa brani sika o person with dinti. Ghana card your student only at technology or to make app design. Now so sika was say my beautiful e dinti ni akofre body if you amonone ni the contact amano ni e disika no pacha. Aha e Ghana say I'm say hey shia ye beka eya sefuma ye beka eya so a ye de beto oboto bokwa ma wa ye de wetie oman be na yetimi oman be na yen Ghana yetimi a whole science and technology it ye ne sankase bi obi wo ho a ana bibi tu obi a ye de beko ewiase amonone BBC VOA and the keka okwa reporter the Ghana biggest university Yaka is having fight or there is brawls between horse in Ghana University. Say you what a shame. What a shame for a whole nation. Now we said we will be we are. Now your barber catch today and say, oh, now reporters are solid. And instead of saying reporters say bar, they say, oh, KNUST. Oh, obi tuma create moto use solar light. Obi tuma ye car and obi ye app bia. Etumi ma ye track cars. Obi tuma create app bia. Etumi say anything. Ebi ni ho. Oh ye dra sebi HIV kum nipa and member system mu dey gu we a na university we mu a yesi we get we si menya HIV and na me dem chiche ma member na be ma bi so atena as a science student so ye nya wade ye pe HIV anu aduro ni ntumi ye de ye nya scam ye ho da bi da yet one aye ntokwa kwasi asema akwa we the first question was say bibisa how did these guys get admission into these universities? Na me say nkofo akọ university de se nye enipa sika wo mu nsem ma ene ye nkola o ma dwemu do at least o me ye brilliant it's a brilliant student na ye wo Ghana no because KNUST 7 o mo fa kwasi ampa from school ni mo it konfo na o mo ba be di Ghana ni mu da chi bi no mu nie e konfo no ba be di Ghana ni mu da chi bi no mu nie Ube ko shemu no ebimu ye politics ebimu ye political science student ebimu eyeyi economic student na dachi wo be gina Ghana aranti a kire ye I wish aka video ni kono na check ebimu enim e de kire na dachi bi eno ni se tekwa benu yo be enim elia let's see the past enu me bi o wo enem brim e wo wiase we mu instead of looking how to looking the way forward. You need to establish your mind be customer Ghana ye no. Debbie. Now the year she grant say in Kuala na past students beba social media. Abeka said we don't support violence. We don't support all this in schools. It is better for you to look up to your future and what you can do for the country Ghana. Debbie and the young past students Jimmy 47 Akoka students and our dear Siane because of mutifie are binding great you may be a moment saying omunye. Akufado are binding enemy mind. Omu great you may be a man Ghana for some year. Omunye. Come on, me see play Akufado video ni mami. Play mami. Play mommy, na go fontie. I was say we in a yum sin chain. Obi obeba was so drink Ghana education service.
I would say to the people of Ghana, I'm sorry. We are sorry for the poor work we have done. We're going to go and think about ourselves. I would say to the people of Ghana, I'm sorry. We are sorry for the poor work we have done. We're going to go.
President Dear President no. Dear Meme President no. They have failed. I was here baby more because past students, they don't have any job to do. It's a one was said in Kola said this issue. Now I never wanted to talk about it. It's yenya opoku wale. The machine say in seminal schools here, it comes out from these big schools. What I say, on te say, we better say 7 school. I'm call KNUST senior high technical school. On te say, Mampon senior high school student be Jimio. Ne fiche opoku wale. Senior high school student. We plan pefiwa. I was Santimedia. No opoku wale twas wo. Now yenya 3 students out of this school, and they are outside robbing, allegedly robbing. Omesi krom robbing or mine. Timemufo, the boys are even hungry. Na when ya Ghana suapomu. Na what to say? Kwabrane wo ho, kwabrane nam. Awo Ghana o. En nam. Ko school ani mama ni papa di na ko school. Na wo se Debbie. Mbe ya ko so puma no person odi na ni siso. Tina aye rape cases. En nam universities. And no na Ghana for a year. This is what we are doing in this nation. Now, I just see from it's so hard. Oh, and you're more na. Say you nimusanka he obi ku university a na wo po went to me anko bia utumi nya some high respect money pon say at least enya no ba benya dwuma papa bi aye nkwasiafo we sebe ene go school mu ene da achi wo ba benya position bi agina. Ti se nkwasiafo we betina ho na dachi wo betina yakobedi om post e de om kotu communication centers in Ghana we wo fe no be kasa nyansasem we ya de ne tu baby so under Ghana no a obetuma ye ni yie enye mbasem ni kohwibra e na we mbebo amaye. There is no future for this country. Say ya soli anopa. Now we have to hear good news about our own people, our own students. Now yen tibio your own students yen tibi, we will not hear it, but rather a ye fair. Now me say say we dey kesi wo SS school. Na bia yakọ intercontinental places. Na bia yakọ kobobo, e na bia ntokwa bi kakra no dey ko school enti sabio. But wait dear, and that game no more bo. Omo to school mu on their normal basis. Na ya dey ntokwa sia. This should have happened when they are doing their sports or entertainment. You will say, I'm from head. I'm a friend of your money to put it. It's one of those things. But on a normal basis, these guys are learning. They are clashing themselves. I don't know fair. Just say, be beyond trending organity. You also have to come into the trending news. They are so 7. They need Juma Yenti. Me have a dinner. Me I can't want them. Tiene. I was saying nam social media. Now banning yanyoma ye. Na ye beka ya adwen no. Ye journey ni na e ba beka sebi. Enipa ye from future leaders of this nation. Ye jamu ni na. Look at the number of students. And yes nipa 3 bio. Ho. Unim nipa ko university unim nipa ba ko wo nipa jojo e wo ho ba kum. Omo agadom ho. Sebi. say mema wo be ma wo nipa sebe na say the wo be ma wo kwase aba papa e ma no kra sebe e wo nyansa kra sen e ma no kra sebe e wo nyansa po e de sen aden o man ben kra na yetimi.
We are sorry.
Hey,
for the poor work we have done. We're going to go and think about ourselves.
You going to hey, come on, pause mommy. And Yakufado,
I'm sorry.
You have to go and think about yourself. Because the mama we fairly poto. Hey, Boba Kuma me cry mention.
We are sorry.
We are
for the poor work we have done. We're going to go and think about ourselves.
You will think about yourself and pa.
I will say to the people of Ghana, I'm sorry.
We will think about ourselves. Ghana is tired. And here we will say aban be saba. Ama ya sa kwoti committee ni say di musika. The enemy say asema ba Ghana ni ya ti hu committee ni ye di musika e wo man we mu. Ya ti hu sika ni ye di musika e wo Ghana. Minia share mo bi hu bi wati. Me say comment share. What you say? Share. It is a obikas one on Ghana University. Now obey business they are born a bra. On tia se obeka se bia wa bonti. Na so mo muti university no sebe nyanse go mutrim na kwase ade we no mbaye wo school mu a na me no de ne ye be na me ne wa ye tifie ye ntumi anya bia anko no ye be ye den. Mama me place that video in my video. Me pese metie pobio e hye me bufuo makoma kra yate. They are sorry, they should go. I go for the bear. Look at the whole nation. Look at what is going on in a country that we call a beloved country. They be the shame before say, a yana ya time. Abaye political thing. Say you celebrate Founders Day. A man came to sit on GBC and said, apart from Kwame Nkrumah, who thought about the development of this nation. So big sis, you know, then mutumi yemagan. Apart from Kwame Nkrumah. It's supposed to be by ya. Ubo se Kwame Nkrumah eni edi na si echire. Kwame Nkrumah ena ni poster no nko amagana for beka say enye hwe. Because a political some tribal politicians na ba my we mu. Sebe. Koka sembeba. To se me twaso. Na ahwefo. Me pese ye kohwe video bi a. Baby oman ye dwi. De bia na asenkofo de hyase. Eya santifo na ye politics. I'm always defending say. Eya santini bia na gina baby ka say obi eya politicians no. Whenever they see somewhere and now tina baby no mu di omo nka biom a. Na yo mu say onipa they have to look at the person. No mu for be yano. So ya igbeni a, wa igbeni a se bi wu ni nyansa. So ya teni a, oka so wu teni then a unim. Because almost some catch Ghana from Asa. Asema catch Ghana from Aden. Asa. Insema was some catch well, international study. O free minister be, o free MPP communication minister be, no continue political stage be as well. Who opposition, who power, who opposition one no dead because you know power. Now twa, now to me Ghana ni year. And na me ti wo news na press before the abase and kebeya abaning review SHS na me bisa me ho say and na me bisa me ho say me bisa question say Akufo-Addo okotwa free SHS mu a dem pa no betuma ka che Ghana for say waye aye wo dwi say wo jimi onjimi ye aka ni 2 years and the free SHS say be bon o say be say o nkola ni be wo school onu de ni dia say waye free SHS and san no be si Nidiano no because the papa was here. And then Palo Beka Chile Ghana for say why free SHS. Ghana for a more country me. More day idea Seba Akufo-Addo. Stop the free SHS. Review the free SHS. Sebi ye see wa. Or ye free SHS ni free wa. And then pa and Obeka Chile Ghana for say why. And ye be an baba Umiama Beka Chile say he initiated Ghana card. And ye ghost names. If Ghana payroll so. Ebi eno so na obeka kire na dem pa na papa yi be kan fun no
free already And now, putting things on the water bill, light bill, what do you want us to do?
Thank you.
Deaf, going
thank
to
you.
deaf, disappointment.
Thank you. Ghanaians says they are suffering. They are what? Suffering. It's a question that me be some who know. Now me person who play video in mommy. Now share tribalistic way. Kwa brane bema we sebi o yere. Sebi we o yere o busuafo. Sebi we obedina baby akase wako school. Na adwen eda ne tirim eni ne tirim. Na ya fe obia no wadani communicator na wakotena TV so no okasa because they don't know what to say to defend this government. Iti wafa play video in mommy na me hwade.
You see, Jimmy, you can't so pass your 10 you are 10 years to say, You kept talking about. And you're ready to run here. What to me, sir? What to me, sir? What to me, sir? No. What will you talk for? What to me, sir?
Ohun 10 ni say ade na on radio so hot FM or per se or challenging in the conversation. We are 10 inti konia santini ni to wakasa no e din say ka 10 ni challenge no. Inti o share argument ni nyina wo 10 no dia make na so bra ho asena metie me. Montafo inkremufo ebi mo agimi me ka kire mu da bia na bubu ofu. Wait, that is how they see you people. I want to phone because omo agimi kura cha ntafo ni bi because omo there is no space for you in Ghana politics in NPP. Oya huneni na oye MPP ni a we Jimmy kura change sa akwa no to no because they have shown it and they are showing it. Sesia no afono omo inte pia bontene. Oso we Jimmy say flag bearer. Odidi mahamatem. The osha si uti de tani. The osha white and red was a dey shirt now no. Oya santini ba osi tani. Wasia na oba challenge me. Ai ye kasa we teni ada na ba challenge me mo wasa boba mo wasa wase mo amoti mo sizongo woku akumasi a mo te wodidi me matam no mo ya moa mo ntafo no mo nkremofo no mo jimi ebi mo jimi. This is how they treat you people. Say no muhumo omuhumu se mo jimi mo ya moa mo pese awso mo ba sumo mo. You don't have the right to compete or argue with them on anything. Inti nkoye teni no inti nko twantro no onye di because we teni aboa owie no so we Jimmy self flag bearer metena ha na meka se Ekufuado nim nyanse edibu mai obeka so Ekufuado enyini na ade na okasa saa kwase oto anifo ahye oto we oka nkwachasem eye santefo de eye MPP de. They are happy about such statements and there's no way teni pepeni inkremoni beka so be lead MPP komo Jimmy. Some benya chance cry ebe flag bearer omon tumau. Inti this about time and mo sam pepe for no enta for no kremo for no mama ma adwini brafie. It's about time. Otiti radio so thousands of people are listening. Host not to one one sorry po or send a small boy binko pataomo. Host not to one he is enjoying it. They are happy. Intimate na hanamenka se Ghana ye bibia ye fine. Bibia nya fine. Yenya kamfo especially santifo yenya ye boman ye aboman for yenya boma yenya ni papa oni asantini to your argument ko obusa se we ofri hin ansa na wono wakasa o ahuna ni dia den tani abi na mahu no TV so no munyina mahu no TV so mahu montafo ni nkremofo ne kasa kire mo amonte na ma me nkire mo ade awonafo ne bi dia mo ho mo Jimmy kura mo amoye ye MPP fo omo tumi kase mo ho kankan omo ka kire mo awonafo no mo Jimmy because you tumufo amo ntiase me say asante eyentafo ne awonafo na me asante mantafo ne awonafo nka se ye ntoma MPP biem asante ne begu montafo etumufo amonte me de mekoso etumufo mekyere mo de ewo se mo ye na mo ndisu a ye behu se slaves mo ba be padwonso mo ba yi nipa eja nan wa santimemu saa because mo nye ma adwene se mo ba dwene ehu se mo so mo ye ndehye a wo se mo dwene to abapa ebetuma yi mo firi saa enkoasom we mu se mo andwene saa de bia mo be yi toilet de bia ye beka se mo na mo prapra jonso obi kwasiampe yi be gina stage akase entafo de omutumi ndi enim. And these are strong words you need to hear. Me to sabi wa ho. We Jimmy papa o pe sabi efiri me ho. Onyanko na TV so 10 edi so o se we Jimmy se flag bearer. Obi tina radio so e ne keka say wo MPP ni we Jimmy se flag bearer and ken den ke asem on so mekasa de na waka ne saa no. Enso ye nyina eto entafo yada ne mmoa ye nkasa nipa na ye yi akoma me so ye bekasa mam no so ne enya ntafo mmoa bi e didi ye ne atam. And the munye ready say sa enkoasom no sa kaya ye no sa toilet na mo soasoa no sa injunso na ye de asoa mo no mo be yesi wo adem ho. Yes, because all you turning now hwe be nyumbre and this does not piss you off. O ya hunani na se we mbu enhwe obufuo say also tutia nkofo wa santimema na we Jimmy.
Ghana dia koso on a live program. Na kwabrane tina otumi hwe ni nua ohun nia onkasa haiti o se hwe tani bi. And I always want to make this statement. When you are in this country until say the four be realize especially Asante for friend say northerners for be realizing all this northern part. Now in crime for realize this say come on until these people realize say we are all the same. They be on metina akachire say you see unya on kwabani on nam individual a friend say accept individual be make statement na can you be make system we they be a politicians we are no be to me chance say identity and teni be dia so identity na ibeni e be dia so na ibe for grade e kun. It won't young person a minimum that sorry. I'm no say Beni be I bring your position papa be and what this MPP path. Na baby o ma we do na de bia ye de akoshe enipa na e krono mu firim no ye de akoshe asantefo iso go hwemu a enya asantefo enya politicians to mo ya kanfo no when they are off and they don't know what to do ya no more can be no more supporters ni akanfo na ewo mu na sebi omo anko school ye no mo so abada mutrim ye de asantefo de ye de akanfo de itafo de omo ye de ikrafo de omo ye de ikrafo fifo we de ye de omo ye de ai beni omo tutu ye di omo ye den na suntani eni si kejetia market e di maamo dia wosi wo ye umeni oba ye den na why am you have to go and attack your minister your majority leader or say chairman sir and say na we hu say obanfo na mo so ame no omo bre no na ndemre ma ye ti omam ye tribalistic politics. Utumi wumia to me hwe ne din ka chese na se mo agbefo de na nde me ni obi kasa o me ni di komo tie video no se agre de ni poyi kan de anu kure o bi come kra me yakani agbefo kra de ne yakun enya dia on benya even position in this party tie de oni prebi ka kira me it's politicians that your man say sansem no oka na santinite oka na chinimniti a offer say ampa o adena eteni be dame so because they have made that word an awful word and not excessive time only party of say their sense of pride all of a sudden only a santini now and a santini bana mo no ni not nabina ona ibeni ona not nabina peno say when ya be me bia wa santimemu ankofa no say penny no ban odo wo mo be mani na pray na tiko And yes, so one number than it more. No, Phyllis say, eh, and then I'm for back and family because, eh, my coffee penny. Eh, now, be why this part of a chim body. Now, a back, no nam, no be a share baby, no be crab, no, my guys a shame. Coffee be black, no go school, no be idea. I go fight Benny, or be kumuna that was a son in money now. I could go to na same way ni pan sense of pride be aba no feel say eh adam ni I believe that say and ekokos wo fie. It is not only in our politics. Na dia way yes so say your person ye twaso and na yes stop you or mind we mu no egusu koso e wo Ghana egusu koso e wo mind we mu egusu koso e wo Ghana each and every day Ghana for best solutions ni ye feel say we are growing in a global world e wo say ni na ye baako iti me kura metumi tina we metumi ka say me for me kuro me da iti me kuro me ni kura me shede ni bebre kura twin pineapple da. Because I feel say we have to go inter tribal ways. Na yen share ho na man ni be ye baako sa na ye fe. Na anso sebi obi political gain, obi sebi Jimmy e won so, obi kwasiam penyi e won so. When nya asemo because enya Ghana for na Jimmy o. Ebi mo betena mu the foolish goats have been among the goats. And omu Jimmy kire. What I say? It's a brand you be bre wo mining. It's na what na political party abega so na won kasa ni entia na waka kasentwi kasa. It ube who say Krobofo was South Eastern region. A whole place I feel say MPP what power. But you say Krobofo there, they have some sense of connection with the Ghana people and the Ewes Niti. Or big energy minister back no about catch will say way mono what you I say way mono. Now we mono o ma twe o say ECG e yo mo dia ana e wo man we mu e wo man we mu e bia ye dri na ye be hwama Ghana be ko yie no. Now this is what is going on. This is what is going on. Now they bia me say ba o mia den ho ye me sere when these people leave power all obe hu say hey wo emre ye be yusu no etwemo baby tina me say mark it somewhere the day Bawumia will leave this party will leave power na Bawumia mbabiom no said that mo be certain kan mo see me who they will throw him like idea ye yusu ayempe won say no be kitan tomago na wo twi odem or people wo fom sa no e ho na o man ka so mema na hu say you will just use you to come and be a poster boy for Ghanaians and you use way ye yan obiom. Like how your friend is saying in the history of America, looking at it, yako gay ni lesbian was in tokwa sa yakun tokwa and umunya ambresa for the black man to become president, you know, and no more black man anymore, legalizing gay and lesbianism, and koye bruni biada obviously bruni we Jimmy. That tribal thing, that racism thing in what American, that's what they do. It was Siambradi, my black president, Ebetnafu, and Woje. It's Ghana, so dear, Yatiano, Yaman Tenny, Sebi Tenny, no, Abedi Quasiasem, it is somebody no about defending because Obeda Kakadia couldn't go to come on drilling call for more money. It's yeah, one dam no. What to say, Yako voter Yako created dam because they will not allow that. What say Yako Shantiriji, Ako say, ye too damn bidder, Debbie, now so nothingness there. Ya feel so many queer for, near go to a maybe, near say a dam, nan suato, nan suanin cock, nan tun to a jim, nan one nigum, nan one to sogum, and no, and I pet. Because your Bromo said they are not part of us. Tribal politics. And ye ni wo. Wait, a yasem boni become kay was that ye cochino. A shen be a catches now to be cast some way. Or be a tenny. Unim the mobeka. Me say, The people who speak for this government have now become toothless. They are now having toothless dogs. And they have become toothless dogs. And they are speechless. They don't know what to say again. So what they have to do is to attack people who are not against, who are against them and who do not like them. That is all. They have to intimidate people. They have to put intimidation onto people. Who share video no akakitu bi ankabrei akobe buni nyonko no. Na me hwe pana me nyasa nkakoi eto ne nsa bob na ba ko yi ne nsa o dia bona sum yie pa chance an enten ye de ne ya pen pa. What kind of life is this? What kind of stupid politics ne ye Ghana say? Ye ni na ye betwe ya atwen fefe o de ya Ghana fo ne kita power obi anso obi nsan kotan be bi mbo power o kan o so kan ne de ye do se ne de nye do ofa ne sa na so enti sa o Ghana. Nanso uba Ghana de entisa o Ghana ayam mo bosem de wiase adui ha mehu na eyi omuso a omunkofo ena ye nordness na nordness su se ba omi abanti wa be kasa nyoma be ye no untwem na de papa ye de akonof at the papa ban we buy or cast a media me yet it's me the off. Baby. There is no development. She in Koso. Tia would you be can to Ubetina eyes again. I be in Kwasi Abem. Ya catch lady pa. Now more dear then more. Any public TV is no a casa match and yonko. No a go free. Because Obi Filesa or is superior than the other. They always say, all that tribal man, tribal people in what country, set up for yourself. Go for the people who also go for you. And we ask to cry, you say, one in the paper was 7 and 90. The way in the say one down, who so children say one down. Not go for the party that likes you as where you come from. Not Sandy Pana also on panel. That's in our dream about. Sir, instant for any your friend saying. Asante for and the Philip say Ghana, free Ghana. Ye ja so what I say now Western and the coastal part. Stop about these people. They don't care about you. So what I say if you 44 player can focus, you don't even regard them. They don't even regard them. It's your mind now your pastor. Why don't you go to the places? There is another party. Only you are regarding home as much as a normal person. Go there. You obey culture, obey respect you as a Ghanaian. Obey who say we are Igbeni, we are Santini, we are Fantini. Concerning panin because you politics about tribalism. Tribalism enya hwema eda. Se me ya Igbeni ensisa me din. Se me ya Igbeni ensisa me hyebre. Se me ya Igbeni emma me sika ngum kotokom. And na Santini an ho kire no. The same as Igbeni an ho kire no. It ye gina baby no be kase with 10 year. A very stupid talk. A very stupid talk. That needs to be talked about in this nation. Ade. Ashefo aha Xposed GH. I say no Ghana and beyond. Na ha Ghana and some. Na ma jisu yet in some so you be in some idea and ya pray. Like it, comment, share. But I say I share. No be soon who be no be soon happy. So what I say I mean she also say we inside. As I say, my uncle Chapel for a crack on bar. You try and move bar, you miss out to us.
Only Addo for dear no how a dear no adwendwen dear no kodana a dying and our serie and our pensions in papa a day apostle and a dying with Simona since so to a nuno and nuntia ma one na aqua bisi basa any and name their sempa and natural things a be one more and some a day a mass uncle nas to me canabra one more a catche now one more MMS so how no and no and far a mouth and unti for one more number it was screen no as soon as any one more in the air castle as a woman to my son intino. Adansi for aje womo atum ne true things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu de biara eda
ai na yesa toaso no Hey, and dra. And with GTV Broadcasting Network. Yeah, papa be a friend KKD. Kwesi che dia. Hey, kwesi che dakwa. Yeah, I'm sorry for that. Kwesi che dakwa wa cancel. Onsanka GTV station here and will be in Bombay your politics and boy chisao. You be kind of fefe, near be kind of profit and then began of for your town share. But then the papa you trend what can I bring on the finances. On the sick, where dear one no account was say what Tessa when dear one gazette investigation will say and there mamu ben pan Ghana for a butcher Ghana mamu pan a kufado nina bay a butcher Ghana free. What kind of governance is this? I go ben a born I born set Josoy a mamu ben a born a April yin yai won't send a Joso Sebi a born sada. What the Joso what do to water? Sana memo ya koye e bon ye kankan e de kire Ghana fo wose wotenasia no wodwen won tiase wose se obeka no obewu obeka na nipa na obeti no onim se ono so obewu bia na. That is what he said in his words. Na asem no wokan in a gentle way so na wokan adwe ampa so wo kire say what is this? What at all is going on in this country? A dear mamma ben, that family and friends now go for cano. Washem will say, because they be an Adrian say, some family and friends near free. Oh, Ebia, when you can if he's capable and can do the job, just give it to the person. But what Tennessee say, what kind of family and friends governors say, because we amamu ni partner se kwa brane atena se hu se wa boni tirimu poso be mafia Ghana fo wo be kyerɛ en na de bia meka se menim sakofo ni papa 1 year no de tena so ni etumi tu ni preko pe no eno aketwa no de ma Ghana fo de en akofo do mesrew yesrew wa ye bia ye wa ye bia ye den eye wa ye bia eye wa ye bia eye.
I would say to the people of Ghana, I'm sorry. We are sorry for the poor work we have done. We're going to go and think about ourselves. I would say to the people of Ghana, I'm sorry. We are sorry for the poor work we have done. We're going to go and think about.
They are going to go and think about themselves. Akufo adu ebe ya nkane for pen and paper. Resign. Can of any budget to. It is just an option. Na pray. Now him. Esa se media me ma onwe bia hu ye na wo so ntie. Iti yem play video ya. Ye nua KKD ye wo for KKD na wo konso onyamre e na wan hye any normal Atta. And was share na him for atade no body na him for ahwene she share nsa tinase and wo kan adwie the example no person tire ni na say ahim for wo Ghana mo sori ahim for wo Ghana mo sori mo sori man ko jina ho wan share Ghana normal ta bia o na yes ye bokro no
we are suffering already. And now, putting things on the water.
Who say, I want children a woman. No one say, be a gentleman, be a better now, or portray sign, or portray some show to our people, our chiefs, our kings. Come together and tell something to these politicians. It's the one shining normal Atta. He was just saying something to Ghanaians. He was trying to let Ghanaians know we are tired. Our kings, our chiefs, where are you? For how long will these people will be bribing you when you are celebrating your festive moment? And then they will come. That now will say, it can afford your celebration. Now, but we come on 50,000 Ghana city. A whole Ghana, yeah, festive. They come on 50,000 Ghana city. 50,000, a bit much and cry for. A bit much and cry for with the warm hall. What a stupid thing. Me achi aka infu ibe jina say hey barafa yen 50,000 wo dey made be your project de hunya oba he enwo se wo ma yeskada enwo se oba ma homo wosika enhunya oba he na ka wo ye development amanfo ni be ja mo homo we no mo presu say hey power me the economic wizard ya da wasio ye bopto me ya ete homo we die okon di yo ya di o wa ya di o you be to me presu te wo say o de 50,000 ko e de ko brade omo indirectly no ma kuma to me 50,000 what me tell you about me at the end of 50,000 then no be chama o steady titi years ka 50,000 obi uchi ne se ba omia wa che ni pan 50,000 onu de 50,000 de minim de 50,000 Ghana cedi aye no na wo che na for 40 wo kana inflate gina say wo for 50,000 come and do what is needful for Ghanaians 50,000 enye ye hwe me ko to kom ni ma pamfo ne be kom ko to kom be ko follow mo no akom di omo eti kwesi Cheda kwachire say what shine for Italian say in the representation of our kings and chiefs send your moti wo Ghana yi omo man penyifo hu say ye pray ni apre e mo obi platform ba me chen. That is what we want, that is what we are looking for. That is what we want and that is what we are looking for. Aha! Na ma chi so Ghana nsem. Hey! We have to talk. And we here. I feel for moment go share video near there. And blah.
I read a report yesterday that broke my heart. I saw how much Ghana owes, but I also found that apparently the Minister of Finance's company or former company is a transaction advisor to the monies we borrow. So as Ghana gets poorer, the Minister of Finance's company or former company gets richer. Is this what we want to continue in this country? Do we want to elect people into office, give them their pay and their perks, and then allow them and their friends and their companies or their former companies to be the very beneficiaries of the woes of our country? This is not only about the Minister of Finance. This is about Parliament. Parliament, you must be ashamed of yourself. You have failed the people of Ghana. Because I don't think from the time of Nkrumah to date, whoever is the Minister of Finance should be benefiting every time our country goes to borrow money. Is that what happened under everybody in this country? What precedent are we setting? Yesterday when I read the report, I was so broken. And I was like, do people know this? So I called 4 different people. Some in civil society, some in government, some in the former government. And they said, oh, but this is general knowledge. And I'm like, it's general knowledge and Parliament thinks it's okay. So whoever wins the next election will also set up their own companies and be the transaction advisors when we go and take a loan. What is wrong with us as a people? So the person's motive for even going for a loan from me now is not clear. Because every time we take a loan, their company makes money. Does this make sense to us as a people? Look, we have leaders of industry. Some who have been, deprived of their finances. And in the meantime, the people who are sitting in power are stealing us blind. And all people can tell me is, oh, but this is general knowledge. And then what a shame. What a damn shame. When they are out of power, will they want whoever comes into power to repeat what they are doing? This is not NDC MPP. Parliamentarians, you are supposed to help us protect the public purse. You can't just go and sit there and vote, I am MPP, I am NDC. Vote your conscience and vote your constituency.
What are you expecting the MPs to do?
The MPs? But you cannot become the transaction advisor for going to take loans when you are the Minister of Finance. How is that possible? They are the legislators. If they won't speak up about it for the whole country, but for me taking time to read this much over the weekend and yesterday, I wouldn't know the details of this. So now go and bring all the loans we have taken and show us all the transaction advisors and see whether they have links to the presidency or the people who are the ministers
or the people who are in legislature? Why are we doing this to ourselves? What kind of nonsense is that? Hey,
if there's a conflict of interest,
conflict of interest is where it starts.
So Stride should be on the ball on this one.
And where are they? Where are they? Look, right now, Ghana has become each one for himself, God for us all. I was speaking to one of my staff yesterday. He says, boss, I went to buy gas. 14 kilo cylinder now is 152 Ghana cedis. 150 Ghana cedis to fill the cylinder, 2 Ghana cedis for the rubber. When I take 152 Ghana cedis out of my 1,400, how much is left? Now water is going up, electricity is going up. And some people who we have put into positions of authority are raping the country. Why? Why? Sikahiana Mubedi. You are leaving it for your children, and your children know you are doing this, and your children will come and tell other people's children that mo papa and mo bra, because you were stealing from the people. So those people whose parents did not steal from the people will be suffering. And your foolish children will come and tell those children, mo papa and mo bra. They be, mo papa in Riesika. What is this? And nobody wants to talk about it. Because if you talk about it, they'll impoverish you. Hey, Masa. If nobody kills you, you die your own natural death.
Thank you very much, Chrissy. Went from ghost names swiftly to conflict of interest. But that's how it happens on this show.
Which is worse, that conflict of interest or the ghost names? How much are they taking from those ghost names? It's bad. But there are things that are worse. And those things are being committed by the people that we have elevated into positions of authority to be our guardians, to be our servants. And through serving us, we elevate them even higher. But are they serving us, or are they serving themselves and their friends and their children?
And you see, you're not even surprised anymore when people say that.
I asked my brother right now here. He says, oh, Chrissy, you didn't know this? I was shocked. I thought he didn't know. He says, oh, I've read about it. I've heard about it. And we can talk about it. And the news agenda doesn't want to put it on as something that matters. Why? So you serve at the presidency, then you give yourself contracts, then you give yourself work, then everybody else doesn't have any expertise in this country anymore. Because once you serve with the president, all of a sudden, you know everything, and everybody else in Ghana is what? Ultra crepidarian. Oh, please.
Look at how Papa in just a nutshell of a 5-minute video or so. Papa to me a cat in Yansasem actually in painful keke. Na yet your memoir, I was so nipa kasana on peso benya bayamania, I was so kase, me be slow bia, it was steady. Anytime you bia kasebia or maimu, no peso benya bayamania, no akasa I, semeka, or baby family or mummy family, or made them in slow bia, and sana, and nipatia, no much your o kasana wa nyesa kwasa kwana just empini for babe foul iti papa intina GTV minim so ochine bi ya ba kofre manager ana chief executive officer or your friend say GTV a okachen say unim so ba kofa nkofo bi mu say abetuna station so a ye beyi wodi itu bon say ye mfo obi anya dey empa biom ude say mo hwe as much as a video we entra ni Ghana for ye dey ehwem. Look at what this person said. The when you cry any problem, what you shouldn't say. Money will say Ghana. Your finance minister said the former finance minister only banko. But your finance minister ya kufuado or no any chocho mutoni niano. Unimade. He has a bank where I friend data bank. And can you see so Ghana how many times? And I would do when him pop a data bank. Now so star banky, ye go Ghana bank in or not any bank no a deny no and no as the guarantor. And no jina eti Ghana nim ekoji loan ni ekoji loan na KNUST Atta bank no omoji 9% and has a Ghana fashion trim 9% no fashion trim say be 10% prekope ye pese Ghana for be unti obeji na sa 10% no so this 10% ekofi every loan be ejia it is say Ghana ye koji $1 billion. ye kwa kwaji $1 billion aba ye papa kenofrata die obenya eye almost $100 million $109 million and onu epepa ni kotukum ene ni konfo. Now in the history of Ghana's government ye nya obi oye finance minister onu ana se ye kwajilo na o sadani advisor any guarantor kwaji sika di buy there be baba we mu die akoye family and friends omu nko apese omu disika ni gu omu botom omu nko apese omu didi omu nko apese omu yem ehye na ye Ghana fo ye den ye bre iti papa ye be si. It is a Ghana alone in the government of this government. In the moment of this government, say Ghana alone 10 times. Say every yaji sikasa 10 times. Papa when kuane ni bank. Sika umbe chiumugo mkotukumu. Esense wo ye finance minister. Esense wo ye finance minister o. Na mpo Ghana mpo akata hihye ne project ya wusie no. As it's always alleged, you know, na sike mpo yasa kwajilo na ba na chese ne pampin fo beticha mo ebe chiche dia mo na finance minister ne wagene die hye kotuko. It is a say next government so ba no woka se ne sa die nkofo ye no yesu yenye bia ye mpe obi no nti bank na ye onti 10% ne nji saska ne gu ye kotuko sa mamu we na Ghana fo ye di buye. Iti ube unse social na say trending nkofo ye man before ye kan ya adwen kire omo a na kwa brani abeka kire se omo papa no mu ko school tama ye mami mu tifuom na omo ye adwuma no man ko school no ayenu nti na ne ye bre iti omo disikeni na no da chi bi omo ma so omo mana se bi omo wo na omo nim di omo form lifestyle right enya no omo kasa kire mpanyifo by heart omo se no mo pe omo hu anwo kire da omo hu how da no na obeka kire meme ne wo se wo je se wotia kedo for eta bi beba so person di MP so person ye minister na ye di amani because ni papa mo peske guo ti se sika no obetumi dia campaign e di ye na ye papa ni ye maame mo entumi enye Ghana sika na endi na omo di position ni wi a na wanya nkofo bi atai o mechi e ma se ti time for no abegina anytime 1000 Ghana 20 Ghana ni 30 Ghana sa Ofori Atta ni akufado mba ni be ma omuti no mo di camera tu o menim no maka kire meme ne wo se ye papa ni ye maame omo bobra our foolish parents said our foolish parents couldn't live a better life. Now so we ni say say maame ne papa yi omo bobra papa omo ndi Ghana sika omo bobra papa o nso me ndi Ghana sika omo bobra papa o nso me ndi Ghana sika no mo we fi say omo papa ne omo maame no no omo di Ghana sika omo wi Ghana sika no mo we fi say se be ye ka onyame di mu ebe ye numi e dia mo mu ni ombu se fi oni na o sha hey ye de meka metina so no maka woni pe biara me de ma no beka woni mu se wo di Ghana fosika ne mbaso ne mbase ne sika iso ne mba no a e ma ne mba nye ye da. I'm telling you na nkofo ameka chese e ma me ne papa omo abobra no mo refi se e ma me ne papa Ghana sika no ma nya bia nya de enti Ghana sika no ma nya de o ma wia sana kenofrata ministry echo and Ghana says ya each one for himself. It's mebunu omo akasa okoka ni achiu okoka ni intimidate okoka ni threat it's ye nya journalist omo ka omo adwen a omo tumi nam tumi tina simpie suka say me next week mewu obi tumi be kana wale en wasam kra na wo kwabrane afa ne ho tai na opekwan ye kunu e wo man we mu in the name of political reigns, political power. It won't mean kawadri. O kawadria, or manwadrian beden, ebebom. That is what is going on in this country. Saying a kosu Ghana man. Aha, I Ghana seminia share. It is a say ube so my team. Abaye each one for himself. The youth have now given up. Ebi mo person mo give up. Ebi mo abre. Ebi mo hu di omo ye. what you say omo de omo kan because uko kan ye beti police amount ne said uko gina kota ye betwa boa wan kasa wonim se ontumi ntua ne ya pemra bi e de twetwa ho se ne ontumi nya ho nye den enkasa ye beti mmra bi betwa ne ye de acho so wo ye guilty ne ya final sika ne wanya ye wi ne de watum because wakasa against the national peace of Ghana so mu nim pass de wo kan ne nokre but to intimidate you ne aye it kwala so se o madu no oba ye each one for himself and omo bo omo bra nti akole bi ne sika on kasa no afa na ade a oton no onya bibia no ye de omo pe and omo go to according to the corrupt ways. It is a say Ghana ye way ope passport e wo se utua bribe e ma goro man ope NIA card e wo se o special routine na o tua more than 200 to 500 Ghana card 500 cedis near to me the ma Ghana card o ko baby ye airport ya wona hokra e wo say yellow fever ni unsema utua bibi kwabrane be chiw no be ma obi no debita iti akoye corrupt country and the youth na kasa de accepting sa de bia it is alleged oko police station ni aka chi de ewe round asem ne kokota ubenya asem nti kwabrane ya asem minor issue bia de ya no be kanti ni a cheda ye ahaya ye settle no na wo tue sika iti ye nina ye called by the rules and the corrupt ways of the country. Akoye each one for himself. Obia adwon wan cause okoka sanity. Ayete say obi penyi a wabobra a wadu age bia oflese baby aduru de hwe papa bia mba na brabom sa na aba ye hu ni se Ghana de ye odwe ho kra enkosi hwe wo ye ne den kra enkoye hwe sa na aba no. And a penny for not taking advantage. It's when they need the power, they organize the vulnerable ones. Omo muni shidi, omo ni abrabobi di, omo ni so muni skebia omo. Iti danu yi, ubenya nkofo ye disi kashi show mkotukum. Asole anopotututu, akwabrani fo, enam ejuma mu ye ejuma no. Edwin send your money be ye no. Eni ye campaign, edi ama baumia na ye campaign ama no. Ghana economy na kasa no. Ye economy pekeke ne dia sheni sound. Yamfa agriculture sector sheni sound. Yamfa gender ministry and shining sound. Yamfa Ghana port and shining sound. Yamfa cocoa board and shining sound. Yamfa shri and shining sound. Just Ghana economy. Sikatutko. Uncle advisor and not governor be. Enfama Ofori tani na buy. Enupo wentumanye. Nyansa sem sebi. Wentume nye bian kanche ye president no. Omu somebody yeso. Enan kofo. Kwa brani ye tuyo muka. Enya time. Enya time. Enoma faka. And a card deal with it, and a bonum, and a year come for a kufado, because Kwabrani Benya Kakra, they are going to go to come. The delegates have power. Tiabamuska. Aha, I can't answer. Now, me catch you said, you may quite so I say, a neat truth. Neat truth is saying, go through beer, my name about chance, so you're there. Emma, from Omubepa, Abebo chance, so come, ama ye fe. Oh, a beya corner, minia, a beya corner. Then I'll pay. Then I'll pay any truth for your mouth. Or say from the number from Ombe Juma, send a bear come, Sana Nidina Tio, Yan come for the Fumbia and farm mouth. Now, Miss Catcher says, share video no, what I say anytime be a fill up for notification bell on the tour. Let's see a bell life near the gun and some brewer. No to match now fear, no when now time, won't sell me near can't some more come and to you say, I say when no woman bosso, a queer come and come to me. So what I say. Hai etin sem so nsem no yentina so kwa ye man sem bi meye na ye for depression and frustration enwu wo man we mu da ye be kan ya adwen so mo na mo dia ba say something ye be hunsu ne ye be kan ye be hunsu ne ye be de ye be kan na me catch us Xposed GH ye say no Ghana and beyond knowing Ghana and beyond we person who say yeah we are going beyond it is so o person advertise bibi enyoma be na wo ton Xposed GH say number ne go no freyem bra woni yem be di kaso bom what ya say I o person advertise onyoma yen ye be boa ye de be boa ma wo de onyoma ya den abegu am nipa fro anyway didwa what ya say I Xposed GH you see no Ghana and beyond me am dey nkomoyi ni na ebre ho me am no betwetwe nkomoyi we ni bresu ni na within the limo elikem kwame amega with my friend Efo Kent and I make sure so what you say abusuafo da sende ye be se hia tena se Xposed trend so beba nsema ekoso wo Ghana sema tete nsem bebre ai notification bell ni si wo bibia ba ye de bebro na wanya wo ne na wahwe bi da sende ye be se hia bye bye.
I would say to the people of Ghana, I'm sorry. We are sorry for the poor work we have done. We're going to go and think about ourselves. I would say to the people of Ghana, I'm sorry. We are sorry for the poor work we have done. We're going to go and think about ourselves. I would say to the people of Ghana, I'm sorry. We are sorry for the poor work we have done. We're going to go and think about ourselves. I would say to the people of Ghana, I'm sorry. We are sorry for the poor work we have done. We're going to go and think about ourselves. I would say to the people of Ghana, I'm sorry. We are sorry for the poor work we have done. We're going to go and think about ourselves. I would say to the people of Ghana, I'm sorry. We are sorry.
Oniadofo de ne wo haw de ne wo adwendwen de ne wo kodan na edan na wasiewie na wo penchensin papa de aboso anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwunu enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam natural things ebie wo mo ensem de amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo emmeso wo haw no ano emfa emaw enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na ene wo mo endi eye kasubo nsa se wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo aje womo atum natural things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda